All right, here we go. All right, Simon says put both hands down to your side. Simon says take one step forward. Now take it back. All right, go see my boy Chris over here. Guys, everybody say hello to Chris. Oh, Simon didn't say. Go see my boy Chris over here. All right, guys. All right, Simon says everybody that's in, move over this way a little bit so I can see you guys. Ooh, that's the people there. All right. All right, Simon says put both hands up in the air. Simon says put them down. Simon says kneel down. Simon says stand up. All right, guys, now I'm going to get really fast with this, okay? You guys ready? Simon says touch your stomach. Simon says touch your hips. Simon says touch your head. Simon says point to your eye. Simon says touch your nose, touch your ear. Oh, where's your hands? Oh, you don't know what you're doing, do you? Okay, you're out. All right. Ladies, you want to join us? Little latecomers? R.B. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go. You guys ready? All right, Simon says put both hands on your hips. Simon says put both hands down in front of you. Simon says put them down to your side.